Folks, can you believe it? We're here for our home tour for fall 2022. Right here on my take on home and garden. Now for you new folks just joining us on our channel, we'd like you to know what you're looking at. We are collectors. We love antiques and vintage decor. We are also maximalist in the English manor house and Baroque styles. Now you know we like to feather in some fall colors. We took the curtains and changed them out and toned everything down to get our fall colors in. Okay guys, hey, let's go upstairs. You know we like to decorate to the max. Right here on the Maximalist Home Network. Centerpiece carries almost the whole room. A couple of leaf trays full of gourds and pumpkins and berries and acorns. Now folks, if you're new to our channel, please be welcome, come in, check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. Check out our spring store and our Etsy store. Thanks guys, and we're so glad you're here with us. We'll go to the master bedroom now. Just a couple little changes. Love the Belgian vase in browns and creams for fall, and the ceramic jalopy with just a simple leaf. Pushes that idea, the deer are on the move, getting ready for the next season. Love this pillow. Had to add them to the decor this year. Getting those warm blankets out too, guys. You never know what's coming. Alrighty, guys. It could be the upstairs. And on to the kitchen. And what everybody here wants to see is when I get the dinner out of the crock pot tonight. Oh boy. Kielbasa, mushroom gravy, mushroom, pepper and onions on a bed of scalloped potato. Love the new trivet. Couple of pieces you haven't seen this year. A plate from Hobby Lobby. Gorgeous fall color and the chippy edge. And the thrifted leaf dish. Had to put some characters in it. If there's no food going in it, it needs characters. And here's a new piece out this year. We've had this banana boat. Look at this. Fenton and American hobnail. And oh, Bob, somehow there's a brown Betty. Beautiful teapot in the dark walnut ceramic pot from England. And that's from our buddy Bob from Pennsylvania. We're gonna see them along with everything else in the gifting video and haul. Thank you, Bob. you'll see various collections used in our decor throughout the home. We change it out as the seasons change to make it fun and exciting and new. So folks, we hope you liked our fall home tour today. Thanks for coming by. We appreciate everybody. 2022. The next thing you're gonna see might have snow on it. Can you believe it's coming already? Take care, guys. Till the next Over the Top awesome decor and collector video.